Sorry about that, Brannan. 4. I'm not sure that's how it goes, but it's close enough. Alright, follow along. It's gonna be a little different. I'm going to Texas. I'll be back someday. I'm going to Texas. I'll be back someday. Texas. I'll be back someday. If we're to marry, I'm gonna need a job. If we're to marry, I'll need some kind of job. There must be some way for us to get along. When I start working, that's when I'll send for you. When I start working, I will send for you. You be a good girl, I'll be a good boy too. Meet me in Paris, the Oklahoma line. Meet me in Paris, the Oklahoma line. Paris, Texas, wouldn't that be fine? We'll go to Dallas, I'll find some city job. We'll go to Dallas, I'll find a city job. I work for 6 days and have the last day off. Oh, tell me, darling, what more can I do? Tell me, darling, what more can I do? It won't be long now till I can stay with you. Cold Texas, someday I'll come home. Let's just do the carp and the vocal of the thing. I'm going to Texas, I'll be back someday. I'm going to Texas, I'll be back someday. I'm going to Texas, I'll be back someday. Down in Texas, they got cotton. Down in Texas, they got coal. Down in Texas, someday I'll be home. Going to Texas.